my project's called DL Chess. The idea was to use DLCs, like discrete block contracts, to do on-chain betting with chess games. And I just spoke to Taj, who's the inventor of DLCs, and he was like, yeah, this isn't really DLCs. So I might have to rename the project, but I'll show you how it works. So, just bring this over a little bit. I'm going to play chess against Tyler, my glamorous assistant. So he's joined the game. This is lichess. It's like an open source chess website. So I'll copy the game ID. I have my Oracle server running here. And this is my Bitcoin script to create the address. So I'll run that with the ID. Okay, so we've got 3 public keys here. This is what Taj was telling me. Normally a DLC would have like 1 public key. Well, let's just roll with it. We've got 3 public keys that we use in our Bitcoin scripts. One for white win, black win, and draw. And we build scripts here to allow the players to spend. If the white player wins, they can spend with the Oracle signature. There's a timeout script. So if the Oracle disappears, we can spend after like 10 blocks, for example. And then you have this is the win script and then the draw script here. So we created the address, so Taproot address. And then we're going to fund the wallet using MutinyNet. So it needs 2 UTXOs to start. You see, we're waiting for that to go through, which takes a minute. So yeah, how this would normally work, you would obviously both players would submit their own address to withdraw to at the end of the game. But I'm just going back to the same address for now, just for simplicity. So we can look on the netball. And we're just waiting for this to go. Okay, so the game is still in progress. So okay, now we can play chess. All right, here we go. All right. I did tell Tyler to let me win, so this is probably yeah. I don't know how long this is going to take. I thought it might be. But, okay, maybe we'll just resign for now, so I can show you. But what you can see, okay, we contact the server then contacts the lichess API and says, oh, the game's still going on, so you can't spend. Okay, so now black won. So let's see, we're trying to spend the Bitcoin now. The server returned the signature. We use that signature with the adaptor signature that we got sent originally when we created the game, and the Oracle's public key. We get the decrypted key, so the secret that we're going to use to sign the Bitcoin transaction. And then we create the transaction, and this is the transaction ID. And then I just broadcast it to MutinyNet. So we can go back to the address and see the transaction should be sent. Okay, this is the transaction. Yeah, that's it. So obviously this is it's going back to the same address, but it would have gone to the black player's address. And that's it. Thank you. Yeah, that's it.
Questions, Q&A. Any questions?
So that's one DLC, and you have an Oracle server which contacts lichess servers to get the status of the game, and then it signs the result. That allows you to spend it. Is that correct interpretation of the implementation?
Yeah, so the Oracle server is very simple. It's just using lichess API. So every time I run a script, it contacts the server, it contacts my Oracle, and the Oracle contacts lichess to get the game state. And then once the game is complete, we get the server will then return a signature to the players, which they can use to build the script. Yeah.
Do you see this project, I guess, continuing after TabConf, or are you?
Yeah, because I like to build like an actual front end. Nitesh, who's not here, he was going to be my front end guy, but he couldn't compile Rust big one down to Wellington, so he gave up. Sorry. But yeah, I'd like to set up the front end and get it working on the web, so we can people can actually play on chain and stuff. Yeah,
Great.
Yeah, that was going to be my question. How you see this as like a more fulsome app, where you can just go in and you can kind of abstract away some of the key structure behind it.
Yeah, definitely. So I guess the vision would be you go to a website and you start a lichess game, you can embed that into the website and you share it with your friend, and then there'd be an address that you both deposit to, just a QR code or whatever, and then you put your own address in that you want to withdraw to, and you'd have like the communication with all the signatures and stuff. But you could do it maybe over like Nostr, stuff like that, and then that would be kind of the flow that it would actually look like if it was a real website. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks.